Why are you dressed up as a bunny rabbit?
That's what was hanging in my closet this morning. My wife picks out all my clothes now. I love it. It really makes things easy for me.
Every morning I decide what I am going to wear that day because I am a man.
You don't get it. She is a designer. She is very sensitive to color. It really simplifies my life. We are a team.
Every morning I decide what I am going to wear that day because that is what men do.
I don't even have to shop for clothes anymore. They just appear. It's great. We are a team.
You are wearing a bunny suit, for God's sake. I go to the store and pick out and buy my own clothes because that is what men do.
We are a team. We work better because we are a team.
A team of pussies?
Dick.